Dear students, today we will talk about health. We'll try to understand the meaning of this word health. Let's see what is health. Health is a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. That means we are considered healthy if we are functioning well on all three aspects. That means there is no disease in our body and there is no disease, psychological disease we are suffering from, and socially also we are able to maintain good relationships with our fellow classmates, colleagues or neighbors. So, health is a complete definition. In health we are not talking only about the physical aspect, we are talking about the mental and social aspects as well. So, here two terms are given. First is disease free and second is healthy. There is a difference between these two terms. Healthy means if the person is healthy physically, mentally as well as socially. And the person is considered disease free when the body of that person is not suffering from any kind of disease. That means the body of that person is free from any disease. So, that will be disease free. But for being called healthy, the person should be physically healthy, mentally as well as socially healthy. So, it is complete health considering all the aspects. Now, after understanding the meaning of health, we will try to answer this very important question. The question is, can you achieve health entirely on your own? So, the answer to this question is no, actually. We can't achieve health entirely on our own. We can take care of personal hygiene, we can take care of eating balanced diet, healthy lifestyle, but if we talk about people in our surroundings, their attitudes towards us or the locality we are living in, public cleanliness, everything we can't control. So, we will try to understand the external condition or our environment, how it affects our health. So, how our personal habits affect our health, we know already that personal hygiene and diet and exercise and lifestyle, they all are included in the personal aspect. But if we talk about the environment, how our environment affects our health, we can divide our environment in two types. First type of environment is called physical environment and second type of environment that affects our health is called social environment. So, we will try to understand different points under these headings. First is physical environment. What comes under physical environment? There can be cyclone or any kind of natural disaster. We know that natural disasters, they affect our health. For example, flood. A lot of water is there and that could result in the spread of infectious diseases. Many waterborne diseases can be there, many vector-borne diseases also can spread through these natural disasters. Second is garbage collection. We know that garbage collection is very important for maintenance of our health. If garbage is lying around here and there and if dustbins they are not closed, they are not covered, that means they easily vectors and carriers can grow in those areas and they can result in the spread of infectious diseases. Third point is management of drains. There are many localities where drains are open, drains are not closed, they are lying open. Those are breeding grounds for many vectors. So, that can result in the spread of many infectious diseases. The last point is stagnant water. This is also very important point because we know that stagnant water, whether it is dirty or clean, in both the conditions it results in the growth or breeding of mosquito, different types of mosquito, but it can be a breeding ground, clean water as well as the dirty water. If it is stagnant, it can be breeding ground for various types of mosquitoes. And we know that mosquito, they are most common type of vectors. Now, what comes under our social environment? We have talked about our physical environment, and physical environment is easy to understand also. But let us see what is social environment and how it affects our health. What comes under social environment? We are surrounded by different types of people. They can be our classmates, if you are studying in school, if you are working somewhere, it can include your classmates, it can include your colleagues, and it can include your neighbors and friends also. So what comes under social environment? Social equality. If you are not treated equally, if you are biased against on the basis of your caste, your religion, your gender, so that will not come under social equality, and that is going to affect your mental health in a negative way, right? So first point that is very, very important for maintaining mental health is social equality. Everyone, each one of us wants to be treated equally, irrespective of whatever caste, religion or gender they belong to. Second is harmony. Type of relationship we have with others it is included in harmony. This is also irrespective of whatever caste, creed, religion, gender we belong to, we need to have harmony within each other. So these are very important. These points may be not for physical health directly, but for mental health these points are very, very important. One last point that we need to discuss is economic condition of the individual. How economic condition of an individual affects the health. We know that for being healthy we need to have strong immune system, and for developing the immune system, to increase the strength of the immune system, we need balanced diet. That is very, very important, and to afford the balanced diet, money is required. Many people, they are not able to afford good balanced diet because of lack of money. So money in this way is connected directly to our health. So economic condition also affect the health of the individual. So these points are related to health and what are different factors in our surroundings that affect our health. That is our environment, effect of our environment on our health. Thank you.